Okay, so I just finished step 12, or sorry, step 10 and 11, where I accepted the sketch and I renamed it path by right-clicking here and doing rename. So now I'm going on to step 12, and this is where it starts to get tricky. So you're going to create a new reference plane using the curve point option. And if I select the end point first, and then the line, and then the plane feature, it should automatically do that kind of plane for me. So I'm going to select that point and that line and the plane, and it's doing point normal. I want a curve point. So I have to select that, and I have curve point. And there's this light blue line indicating my path, but I can't really tell. Yeah, I think that looks correct. So I'm gonna hit OK. And then this is where it definitely gets like tricky. Well, actually this step isn't too hard. I'm going to create a new sketch on this plane that's angled. So new sketch, hit end, view normal to it. And if you notice, some people's handles are in the wrong direction, meaning, and I'll show this more clearly, but some people, your handle is supposed to be this direction, and instead it's this direction. So I'm just gonna delete that because I don't actually need that. Delete, escape, whatever. Okay, so, and view normal to the plane. I'm gonna rotate it. Oh, let me hit N again. Okay, but I want my top up at the top here. So now I'm going to make my ellipse using this point as the center point. And now I'm going to fix these dimensions. Whoop, escape with the dimension tool. So 14 wide and 10 tall. And I have to add a coincident constraint, but let me double check. It may have automatically done it because I started my sketch there. So show constraint, there is a coincident constraint there already. If you are like nervous about doing it, you can create your sketch like out here, dimension it out here, do all that, and then use the coincident constraint, click it, click there, and it will move your oval to the right spot. But I don't need this shape. So I'm gonna delete it and finish my sketch. Step 14, rename it profile. Rename profile. And so what I was saying before was some people's handles being the wrong direction. When you get to this view and you're kind of checking it, it should be a wide oval, not a tall oval and not a circle. From here, I should be able to make a sweep by selecting this face. And then for the path, selecting both of these. And I want to add it to the existing part that's there, which I just revealed with the eyeball down here, and hit OK. Hello, what did I do? One sweep did not go. Merge scope. Merge with all. Okay. So now I have the coffee cup. If you did the revolve before you made the handle, like the revolve to remove the inside, you're going to notice that part of your handle is sticking out, and that is problematic. So make sure you've gotten to this step before you do the revolve. So that's the end of the video for how to make the handle, and then I'll do a separate one for finishing touches.